Hey guys, this is Eric from Injective Labs. Now let's jump right in and try out Injective Pro. To start, connect your wallet. Obviously, you have to read through the terms and conditions and agree to it. The easiest way for me to demonstrate this is to use the MetaMask wallet. Now it's successfully connected. Obviously, in order to make sure, you can always click this button to see that you're on the right Ethereum address. Now, let's say I want to trade BTC USDT perpetual market. We can click on this market. And in order to join the Injective ecosystem, I would have to deposit onto Injective chain. First, I would need to set allowance for USDT. And now the allowance has been successfully set. Obviously, I deposit the 100 USDT onto Injective chain. Now it's successfully deposited. Now we just need to wait for Injective chain to reflect the balance via the Peggy bridge. This process generally takes under 5 minutes. Okay, and now we're ready to trade. The balance has been reflected on Injective chain, and in order for me to place my first order on the BTC USDT perpetual market, I would need to deposit into the sub account. You just click the deposit button here. And all you need to do is to sign through the MetaMask, and you're done. Now in this case, there's two order types that we can use. There's a market order that allows you to immediately take upon the order book liquidity, or the limit order. Market order is very simple. You just pick the amount you want and the trade will be executed. For limit order, you just need to set the price and the leverage and it will be also executed. In this case, let's say I want to go 2x leverage. Now, I think that I want to purchase or submit a bid at this price. And I can submit the transaction right now. And voila, my order is submitted. As you can see, my order has already shown up on the order book. And this is all for getting started on Injective. Hope you guys have a good time and have fun in the Injective universe.